Hello everyone. Today I am discuss about Metasploit. Okay, you can see today I am open two virtual PCs. This is my first Kali Linux virtual PC and this is my second Windows 7 virtual PC. First time go to Windows 7 PC and check the IP address. You can see this is the IP version 4 IP address. Now I go to open terminal and check Kali IP address. Okay, you can see this is the IP address. This all the PCs are in same network. Okay, now I move to today configuration part. Okay, today I am going to exploit my target PC. My target PC is Windows 7 PC. Now I go to Kali terminal and nmap scan for the target machine IP address. Now I type nmap target IP address 192.168.15.4 and press enter. Wait some time. So you can see scan report now displaying here. The ports, their services, status, all the details including here. Now I go to check CMB vulnerability present or not. CMB means server message. Now I type nmap script vulnerability and target wait some time. You can see it's done, and also you can see vulnerable stated. You can see risk factor is high, and you can see this server have some vulnerabilities. It means my target PC have some vulnerabilities. Now I check it. First open Metasploit Framework and type ms console and press enter. You can see now starting my Metasploit Framework. Okay, now it's started. Wait some time. Okay, now I type search ms17. You can see ms17 some files include my target PC. Okay, Now I select this first file and file path copy and type use space and paste it and press OK. You can see now open eternal to MS17. Okay, now I check options and you can see all these options data including here. Now I scroll up. You can see rhost not configured. Rhost means my host PC is lhost and rhost is my target PC. Now I set rhost and type 192.168.15.4 and press enter. Now I check options. Now I scroll up. You can see rhost is changed now. Okay. Now I go to exploit target PC. Now I type exploit. You can see exploit is now starting. Wait some time. You can see exploit status is win. It's mean exploit is finished now. Now I type password. It's mean my target PC password path is here. And now check system info about my target PC. You can see this is the system specification for my target PC. Okay. Now I go to get a screenshot for my target PC. Now I type screenshots and press enter. You can see the screenshot is captured now. The screenshot means my target PC screenshots. Okay. Now I check list in my target PC. You can see all the list. List date, this file format, list all the headers and their type, read and write, read only, all the file details include in here. Now I check processor list, PS. You can see running process, all the process. You can see this is the all the processes are running in my target PC. Now minimize and now I go to check screenshot file. You can see this is the my screenshot. Okay, it is saved now. Okay, that's all about my today video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.